no. Yeah, no, those are like rounded on the top. I guess they're those things you're talking about.
They're like rivet type things. I don't know how to talk about or what they're called, but
Damn, that wiring actually is pretty good. He did. Come on.
it's probably just spliced incorrectly on the fuel pump itself.
I need to also wire a switch, but that's a journey for another day, I think. I'm not.
It doesn't take like 2 seconds.
I need to get actual wiring for it. What Chuck has wiring. Can you give me my impact?
There you go. Toe POV.
I don't think this socket's long enough.
Might have to do what I did. Do you know if he has any deep wells?
Probably.
Hey Chuck, would you happen to have any 17 millimeter deep wells for like a 1/2 inch? Hey.
I'm not gonna need it.
Dang. That one's gonna be hard to get off. Maybe not. But like the impact bits that James has, they have like a metal like rod instead of a ball. So you have to like push the rod and it's a pain in the butt to get them back off. Can I give it a shot?
Yeah.
Alright. Here you go. Take the camera, mister. This as well. I need the piss vision. You can look at the camera.
This is gonna be hard. Oh, there's only one bolt.
Yeah, I took the other one off.
Oh. Okay. No. Fuck.
Yeah, got a little metal.
I'm a little bit nervous of it.
Oh, dang. There's no top to these bolts, so we can't.
Yeah, they're like those.
Like if you go look at the one that's in the bed, I think it's kind of like a rivet top to it. So there's no like actual thing to take the top off, and they took 2 locking nuts and basically tensed them together.
Yeah.
So we got the bottom one off, but we can't get the top one off now.
You getting them undone?
Huh?
Are you getting them undone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That side's finished.
Oh,
It's just
good.
this side's being.
Now, why are you wearing an apron?
Because I don't want to get my shirt dirty.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Also, it holds tools.
No, that's true. It does hold true. Casey, are you gonna get up in the front?
Look at this dude. Look at this dude.
I got the slides on.
Those are better than those piss vision glasses I have.
Yeah, these are the scratched.
I remember I had these with my Mustang.
I like the yellow glasses because
If they were new, they'd be better though.
Oh, there you go.
I actually see.
So what is it that you're doing? You're
M-series.
undoing the bolt
bed
things?
bolts, and then we're gonna lift the bed up. Probably put it over here somewhere.
You gonna have Connor and Tyler help you guys?
Yeah.
All right. Well, is it time for them to come out here?
No.
No, we still have to take out 2 more bolts.
3 more bolts.
Try not
over
to
here.
put this on top of my plants.
Sorry.
I mean, I'm only gonna.
I
let
thought we chopped them down. That's
I got a
why.
they
breaker
come
bar
back
if you
every
need it.
year.
Alright.
Every year
I don't
they
even
come
know if we can
back.
get a breaker bar in there.
And when they're done blooming, we
It's
cut them
like-
down with the
it's like
lawnmower.
right
They come
here.
back every year.
So then there's the frame, and there's about this much space.
All right.
I'll have to undo one of my tail lights, I guess. I'm gonna have to undo the fuel neck too.
guess just keep wailing on it. It's not like it's slipping. It's so hard to see over here. Especially with the slope. Oh. I see our problem.
What?
That little gap is, that little bit of size difference actually is the problem.
Damn.
It's not rounding at all. Like, it's hitting it, but it's just slipping.
It's just not great. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if we're going to be able to use that socket. Not for that one, at least.
I gotta pause it.
Okay.
Playing boys.
Alright, you got it.
Ball in.
I give you those bolts, or those nuts whenever you get a chance. Don't use that socket. Did you not hear me?
What else am I gonna use?
You want to go grab a socket?
I don't know where they're at.
The store? You have to go get that seal anyways. You don't want to leave the bed off, have a seal, and then water get all in your tank.
Yeah, you're right.
So you want to go get that?
What?
Damn, bro, why are you fucking your truck?
This Yoda will kick a Supra, a twin turbocharged, 900 horsepower, 3,000 fucking feet-pound torque drag monster in a drag race. I know that because it's a Toyota pickup, and
They come stock with what? 1,000,000 horsepower?
yeah, see, I went in the long run, not in the actual race.
Yeah.
I know
All
that.
the bed bolts are officially off, and now all I gotta do is the fuel.
What are you doing, man?
I'm doing your mother.
No, it's impossible because I'm doing my mom.
Hey!
Hey, yo!
Sweet home
Alabama. Toyota pickup. To drive, it's about how we stay hungry, read about hour, put in the work, put in the hours, so we take those hours.
I might copyright claims you shit. Nah.
Oh, the Rock's not gonna sue us, but oh yeah.
It's not Rock's song though.
It isn't?
No.
Oh, I thought it was.
He's in it, but it's not his song. It's Techman's song.
Everyone makes it like it's the Rock's theme.
Well, because he sang it, but it's not his song.
He just sang it for somebody.
I don't know if he wrote that or not, but... Okay. That should be it.
Hours.
I am the crypt keeper, keeper of the crypt.
Grab your shit, bro.
Grab my shit.
Mm-hmm.
You grab your shit.
My face over here.
You grab your shit. Get the fuck out of here. I don't know you. I don't know you. Oh no. Uncle Barry's got dementia. What are you doing in my house?
What? Who the fuck are you? Get the fuck out of my house, mate. Now we're gonna get this some good shit, 'cause I'm gonna let you do this so I can, Did you not grab the actual bits
What bits?
for my screwdriver?
You have the teeth. Oh, they're right there. You still be my friend if I breathe like this.
No. Those are guts. I beat the shit out of you.
Master Potter.
No.
Harry's a naughty boy.
Yeah, no. Stop.
Rule 34, Harry Potter.
Is that the only one that's holding it in?
Yes. Sucker. Soul. Slap, slap.
Did you do that with a fucking... Bruh.
That's what came in from the from it, bro.
Well, I'm not saying that. I'm saying you used this bit for a fucking Phillips
They used
screwdriver.
a fucking nail screw for this. Don't mind me just going with the flow.
Use the correct bit.
I don't tell you how to live your life.
You should, because you're a loser.
I should tell you how to live your life, Harley.
Yeah, I want to be a loser, baby.
Fucking scream.
So why don't you kill me?
Forces of Evil and a Bozo Nightmare. The phony
Plastic
gas chamber.
eyeballs.
Spray paint the vegetables. Sorry. Over the beefcake pantyhose.
Yeah, I like I like Beck.
No, that one's already like.
Well, that's why we're taking it off anyways. So you're gonna have to buy a new like wiring piece for it.
It's on.
The bed is ready to come off. So that's all for part 2 of the Toyota truck. I have about 20 minutes more of footage, but that'll be all for now. I just wanted to give a proper outro because on that footage there was just a cut because we're stupid. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and follow me for more. All right, see you guys.